How to fix add friend not showing in Facebook. So if you want to fix your add friend not showing button, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And here, after opening your Facebook, you can go to the upper right corner, which has the three-bar icon, and then scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and under that go to settings. And now after opening your settings, scroll down, and under the audience and visibility you will have how people find and contact you. Simply tap on that, and now on the first option you will have who can send you friend request. So under that you have to simply tap on the drop down bar, and then you have to choose everyone. And that's it. That's how you fix that add friend button on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.